Alright, we're at Cooper's Hawks, but first we're gonna go to Tap42. You wanna sit here? Nice. What is it exactly doing? I think that's yes. Did you try yours? You tried it? The wing. It looks good. Kinda.
Let us know how it tastes.
Chicken could have been fried a little bit harder. It tastes like the one like we had in Orlando. It tastes just like it. It's coma. And for your birthday, that's what it tastes like. It's good.
Remember when I ate over here? So I went to the melting pot for the first time, and it was good. So thank you. So we went to melting pot, and if you ever go, don't go with a big group of people. One, and two, I personally wouldn't boil red meat. Chicken was fine because everything's already seasoned, but the red meat, and then you have to time your.
Okay, so you guys are okay starting with the almond sparkling and the bubbly rosé, and then I just gave you a sweet one. I don't really.
Cheers. Are you looking at here?
No.
Of course not. Crazy. Yes. What are y'all even doing?
I don't know.
You're supposed to be cheersing.
I did.
What? Diamond? Hey, boy.
It has high standards. So I can tolerate it.
Yeah, you see that?
Ooh, baby, try this. Crazy. It's the weekend. Did you wait? It's not the weekend.
It is. It's still the weekend. It's off work.
Alex, Epps.
Gosh.
It's just like medicine.
It's like syrup.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. Lemon candy, honey.
Too much. They put too much honey.
Very sweet.
It's the honey. The honey.
Yeah.
Honey at the wop.
Honey apple.
Believe in Jesus? How? No, you don't. No. Cynthia's mad. You do not believe in Jesus. You don't even believe in Jesus. You ain't got
You
Jesus
know who he
peace.
is, but you don't believe in him.
Like Kodak said, you don't even believe in Jesus. So why you got a Jesus piece?
Exactly.
Cynthia's so mad.
Don't play with me.
My home.
My home. What do you not have?
I don't have any Versace because Versace's job. It's too job.
No, I
I'm adjective.
Wait, read it. Put it down so I can read it.
Boutique.
I am gifted second. What is that? I should have asked questions.
It's not a God-gifted psychic. God literally specifically says, literally. So you don't like it? You know what I don't like? Any of these. I hate all of them.
This one smells really good.
You can get the same thing from Banana Republic. I don't have Tom Ford at all. And you know why? It's so overpriced. Each bottle is $300.
That's on the piece.
I don't like any of them.
That's the original one is better. The original smells good.
Yeah, I don't like any of them.
any idea what
This
it
one
smells,
smells
though.
like trash.
But I heard this one smells really good.
I have this.
I heard Libre smells good.
I love Libre.
Libre.
I'm obsessed with Libre. Nothing about the same. They're not the
One's
same.
probably an elixir. That one's probably, it's just like lighter.
This is the original one.
Yeah, that's not the original one. That's probably the elixir right here. This is the intense.
Ooh, this one is better. The one and one is better. One and one my intense.
This smells good.
Yeah, that's the boss. That's the
I love
bossy
it.
one.
I have Black Opium,
Black
but it's not
Opium?
really too like.
It's like beginner.
Yeah, it's good,
giving
but it's
beginner.
not like, oh my gosh, it's so good.
I don't like any Tom Ford fragrances.
What does it smell? Tommy.
Smell this one, because this one's supposed to be so popular. And then that's another reason I like it. Every bottle's $300, and they're so small.
It's done, big. That's how much people like it.
It's not good to me.
It smells familiar.
There's so many like dupes of this. You don't even have to buy this one. Like Banana Republic have a dark cherry one. It smells better than this.
This one that you gave me, I still have it. Mind you, I use it a lot. Too much, like it's just a bit.
Those are the Forever Moon.
That's what I was gonna say. Wait, where's the one that you
What's
have?
the one that you have?
Wait, this
I
is
have
what
all
you
of them.
have? This is it?
Which one
All
that
of
you have
them.
on
Wait,
now?
this is how much it is?
The one that you have on now.
Yeah, that one.
What?
I have on I Am Her.
Wait, this is what you have on?
Hmm?
You have this on.
Yes, I have I Am Her with Julie Mango from Brown Sugar Babe.
I'm still listening now.
Where's the? Oh.
It's very light.
I Am Her. Oh. This is only $79. They only come in one size. It smells really good.
All of them are good. They're all different for different reasons. That's out of all the four. That's my favorite one. I Am Her.
See, I don't have any. I had one margarita. I had the beautifully blue, the blue one.
Okay, so I've been wanting to try this for so long. Let's see what it's giving. Is it worth it? That smells good. It smells like pina colada. Yeah, it's giving. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Yeah.
Ooh, this smells good.
It's called Miami Nectar. And the apple one smells good too.
I love that Kayali.
This apple smells good.
Wait. It smells like
Yeah.
something I've.
Yeah, it smells like vacation. It's like a memory.
Yeah.
Gosh, I need to take a picture of it.
That's the LS whatever.
I really like it.
You smell all four of them?
No.
NDA's date night. This one smells like something you wear like at night in the bed.
I don't wear nothing in bed. I'm by myself. I don't
But it's like a every. This is an everyday scent. Let me say it's an everyday like freshen up work scent.
like that.
Yeah. All you got. The thing is, when you get it, you gotta get all the four of them though.
Yeah, I see why.
Girl, you better use it Afterpay. You don't use Afterpay?
I do.
I don't do it if I, unless I really
Mine
need
went
to.
up to 1,200. I mean 1,100.
You gotta catch up, girl.
Unless I really need to.
It's good for stuff like this, so you can get all four.
Yeah.
It's gonna come up to like 300 for all three of them, all four of them.
Yeah.
Ooh, the purple one is good.
They all smell really good. I
Yeah,
would say this is probably my favorite.
NDA.
it's a good brand. It's a good brand.
This one thing got me itchy burning.
They're all new Charlotte Tilbury.
I don't like the design.
Nah, me neither. Too job.
Yeah, I know.